Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can rename your video projects in the Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So let us get started. So guys, here in the video editor, what you want to do is navigate to the given project, like this one here, and you will see the video project name in the top left. Click into the drop-down menu, select rename. And after that, give it a new name, like my example video 1. And press enter, and that's it. Alternatively, you may navigate back to your home section by clicking into this icon in the top left. And let me just skip this. And here guys, what you want to do is under your videos, click into these three buttons below the given video, and from here you may open the file location, and from there change the file name, for example. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.